morning to all. Are you doing good? Yes, very good. You stay at home and be safe. And let us write something about our pets. In this chapter we had studied about pet birds and animals. Pet birds and animals. So whenever somebody asks you or when the question comes to you to write some sentences about your pet, what do you write? We can write 5 simple sentences. Okay. This you write down in your notebook. I will give you a description about a pet with the notes and then you can study it. Now let us discuss what can we write. Okay. Then pet. Do you have any pet? Do anybody have any pet? Yes. Which one is that? A parrot. Here he is having a parrot as a pet. He is having a parrot as a pet. So let us write about our pet. First sentence. I have a pet. I have a pet. What is the first sentence? Let us begin writing by I have a pet. I have a pet. Say with me. I have a pet. I have a pet. It is a parrot. It is a parrot. It is a parrot. 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 It is a parrot. I have a pet. It is a parrot. Okay? Okay, do you understand? Yes. I have a pet. It is a parrot. Its name is ITS. Its name is Pinky. 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 What is its name? Its name is Pinky. Its name is Pinky. Then listen. I have a pet. It is a parrot. Its name is Pinky. Say loudly. I have a pet. It is a parrot. Its name is Pinky. Very good. Its name is Pinky. Then next sentence. What can we write? What are the other things we can write? Yes. It eats nuts. It eats nuts. It eats nuts. It eats nuts. Which is the next sentence? It eats nuts. Here, look here. I have a pet. Then it is a parrot. Its name is Pinky. It eats nuts. It eats nuts. It speaks nicely. It speaks nicely. It speaks nicely. It speaks nicely. What is the speciality of a parrot? Parrot can speak to us. Whenever we teach something to the parrot, it can teach. It can speak that words. It can speak that words. Then, what are the sentences? This much is enough. This much is enough. Only 5 sentences. This much is enough. As you are studying in first standard, it will be enough. Okay? Write whenever the question comes to write 5 sentences about your pet. It may be asked. Write 5 sentences about your pet. Write 5 sentences about your pet. Then we can write I have a pet. Okay. Which is the first sentence. Study now. Study now. I have a pet. It is a parrot. Its name is Pinky. It eats nuts. It speaks nicely. It speaks nicely. It speaks nicely. Do you study it? Do you study? Yes. I have a pet. It is a parrot. Its name is Pinky. It eats nuts. It speaks nicely. It speaks nicely. This is the writing section. In the previous class, did you paste the picture of a parrot here? Do you paste the picture of a parrot? Yes, you take the picture of a parrot and you paste it on the space provided in the text, page number 26. You paste the picture of a parrot in the space provided for you. Okay, yes, let us move on to the next exercise, that is match the sound of animals with its names. Which is the next exercise? Match the sound of animals with their names. Okay. Names of first column, names of animals, then sounds of animals. Second column, sounds of animals. All of you take your text, page number 27. Take page number 27. I will write the names first. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Second one, C-A-T, cat. Third one, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Fourth one, L-I-O-N, lion. Fifth one, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Listen here, the names of animals are D-O-G, dog, C-A-T, cat, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, then L-I-O-N, lion. Next one, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Then we can write the sounds there. R-O-A-R-S, roars. Next one, B-A-R-K-S, barks. Next one, M-E-W-S, mews. Next one, C-H-I-R-P, chirp. Next one, T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Let us discuss about the sounds. Various animals, that means different animals make different type of noises or sounds. Different animals produce different types of sounds. Okay, different type of animals, that means a cow is making a different sound, a cat is making another sound, birds are making another sound, monkey is making another sound, elephant is making another sound, like that. All the animals were making sounds. Okay, then they are making different type of sounds. They are making different type of sounds, and the sounds were not the same. The sounds were not the same. Okay, then what is the sound made by a dog? Which is the sound made by a dog? A dog sound is called a bark. The dog sound is called a bark. The dog is barking. B-A-R-K-I-N-G, barking. Say the spelling. Yes, say along with me. B-A-R-K-I-N-G, barking. Dog barks. Dog barks. The sound of dog is barking. Then next one, cat. Which is the sound produced by cats? M-E-W-S. Do you hear the sound of a cat crying? Meow, meow, like that. The sound produced by the cat is mews. M-E-W-S. Mews. That is meow, meow, mews. The sound produced by the cat is mews. Dog sound is bark. Dog's sound is B-A-R-K. Bark. Barking. B-A-R-K-I-N-G. B-A-R-K-I-N-G. Barking. Mewing. M-E-W-S. Mews. M-E-W-S. Mews. M-E-W-S. Mews. Next. The sound produced by a lion is called a roar. Lions are roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Lion sound is R-O-A-R. Roar. Which is the sound of lion? Yes, can you tell? Yes, roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Roar spelling R-O-A-R. Then the sound produced by an elephant. Which sound is produced by an elephant? Trumpet. Raising the trunk. He is making trumpet sound. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. T. Once again. Say the spelling along with me. Say louder. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. Which animal produces the trumpet sound? Which animal? Yes, very good. Elephant produces the trumpet sound. Elephant produces the trumpet sound. The sound of elephant, trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-T. Trumpet. The sound produced by birds. Which is the sound produced by birds? Birds are producing chirping sound. In this chapter we had studied that the pigeons are chirping while they were picking up the grains. While they were picking up the grains, the birds were chirping. Now you are familiar with all the sounds produced by animals. So now let us match the sounds and the names of the animals. Now here is the name of 5 animals and here is the sounds produced by them. Let us match it. Okay, listen carefully. Dog. Which is the sound produced by dog? Very good. Bark. Dog. Bark. B-A-R-K-S. Dog barks. Dog barks. Spelling of dog. D-O-G. The sound produced by dog. B-A-R-K-S. Barks. Is it clear? Yes. Let us move on to the next one. Next animal, cat. Which is the next animal? Cat. The sound produced by the cat is, say the answer, say loudly, mews. The sound produced by the cat is mews. M-E-W-S. Mews. Which is the sound produced by cat? Mews. M-E-W-S. Okay, then let us move on to the next one. Next animal is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. The sound produced by elephant is, say the answer loudly, trumpet. The sound produced by the elephant is trumpet. Did you match? Yes. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. The sound is trumpet. Check the spelling. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. Once again. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. Yes. The next one is lion. Which is the sound produced by the lion? Lions are producing roaring sound. Lions are producing roaring sound. R-O-A-R. Roar. The sound of a lion is roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. The sound of a lion is roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. The sound of a lion is roar. R-O-A-R. Say the spelling along with me. L-I-O-N. Lion. The sound is R-O-A-R-S. Roars. R-O-A-R-S. Roars. The last one is birds. Which is the last one? Say loudly. Which is the last one? Birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Says loudly. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. The birds are chirping. C-H-I-R-P. Chirp. What is the spelling of chirp? C-H-I-R-P. Chirp. Is it clear? I will tell you this one more time. Dog barks. Cat mews. Elephant rumbat. Lion roars. Birds chirp. Is it clear? Yes. Let us move on to the next one. How will you take care of animals? Okay, we studied about pet animals and how can we look after it, how can we brought up it, and what are the things we can provide to them, pet animals or birds, and all these things. Tick the action you should do. What are the things you should do to your pet animals or birds? What are the things you do to the pet animals or birds? And cross the actions you should not do. Okay. I will write the sentences. First one, playing with the pets. Look at your text, playing with the pets. Second one, feeding pigeons. Feeding pigeons. Feeding pigeons. Third one, performing tricks. Performing tricks. Performing tricks. Fourth one, hitting bird with a stone. Fourth one, hitting bird with a stone. Bird with a stone. With a stone. Fifth one, kicking the dog. Kicking the dog. Sixth one, trying to catch the birds. 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 Next one, pulling the tail of a dog. Seventh one, pulling the tail of a bird. Dog. Pulling the tail of a dog. Tail of a dog. Listen here. Here there are columns near each sentence. Listen here. All of you listen here. First option, playing with the pet. Do you play with your pet? Yes, very good. Then, is it a tick mark or cross mark? It is a tick mark. Tick the words, tick the sentences or actions that you should do. Tick the sentences or actions that you should do and cross the one that you should not do. Okay, that was the instruction. Which was the instruction? Tick the actions you should do to your pet and cross out the actions that you should not do. First one, playing with the pets. Do you play with the pets? Yes, of course. We are used to playing with the pets. So we can put a tick mark here. Playing with the pets. Put put a tick mark in the first column. We used to play with the pets. Next one, feeding pigeons. Are you feeding pigeons? When some pigeons came to your yard or somewhere near the park, do you feed them with the grains? Yes, of course. Feeding the pigeons, tick mark. Feeding pigeons, tick mark. It is a good habit. Next one, performing tricks. When you have a puppy in your home, and here in this chapter, mother bought a puppy to Raghav and Richa. Mother bought a puppy to Raghav and Richa. Okay, then performing tricks with the pets. Performing tricks, tick mark. It is correct. Performing tricks. A parrot, we teach a parrot how to produce sounds, and whenever we ask some short sentences, the parrots are able to repeat it. The parrots are able to speak that same words in same tone. So, teaching performing tricks. It is a correct one. Then fourth one, hitting bird with a stone. Do you hit a bird with a stone whenever you saw a crow is sitting near your house and it is picking up the rices that is scattered here and there? What will you do? Do you pick a stone and hit it? No, you should not do. Then take cross mark here. You should put a cross mark on the fourth column. Hitting bird with a stone. Which is the sentence? Hitting, H-I-T-T-I-N-G. Hitting bird with a stone. Cross mark. Hitting bird with a stone. Cross mark. Fifth one, kicking the dog. Are you in the habit of kicking dogs? You are using your leg, kicking a ball. While playing football, we are kicking a ball. Like that, are you in the habit of kicking a dog? No, we should not kick a dog. Then a cross mark. Put a cross marker in the fifth column. Then trying to catch the birds. Do you try to catch the birds? Whenever you saw some bird is flying freely here and there, and when it is taking rest in your wall or in your compound wall or somewhere else, do you try to catch it? No. Then put a cross mark here. Last one, pulling the tail of a dog. It is a bad habit. Whenever you see a dog, you try to pull. Did you try to pull the tail of the dog? No. Whenever somebody do that, the dog will turn and bite you. The dog will turn and bite you. Don't try to pull the tail of a dog. Then you cross mark this also. Okay, is it clear? I will read it one more time. Playing with the pets, tick mark. Feeding pigeons, tick mark. Performing tricks, tick mark. Hitting bird with a stone, cross mark. Kicking the dog, cross mark. Trying to catch the birds, cross mark. Pulling the tail of dogs, cross mark. Clear? Yes, let us move on to the next page, that is page number 28. Page number 28. Listen to page number 28. You can see a word verb here. Word verb. In your lower classes, you have studied word verbs and make as many. Here is a direction for us. Make as many words as you can from the given word. There is a word given at the center of this word verb. Which is that? Which is the word? Which is the word? D O. Say with me. D O M E S T I C. Clear? D O M E S T I C. The word is domestic. We studied about domestic animals, wild animals, then pet animals. Now in this chapter we studied about the pet animals. Here from this word domestic, how many letters are there in the word domestic? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters are there in domestic. 8 letters are there in the word domestic. make as many words as you can from the given word. Here is a word and using the spelling in this word you can make so many words. You can make so many words. The spelling should be there in this word. The spelling of these words should be in the middle word. Okay. Let us write the first one. Which is the first one? S-I-D-E. Side. Yes. Say louder. S-I-D-E. Side. S is here, I is here, D is here and E is here. All the letters are here in this word domestic. S-I-D-E. Side. Let us write the other one. Ice. I-C-E. Ice. I-C-E. Ice. I-C-E. Ice. I is here, C is here and E is also here. I-C-E. Ice. Then next one. Mist. M-I-S-T. Mist. M-I-S-T. Mist. M is here, I is here, S is here, T is also here. M-I-S-T. Mist. Last word. M-O-S-T. Most. Which is the next one? Most. M-O-S-T. Most. Let us make 4 words. Let us make so many other words also. Here we made 4 words from the large word domestic. Which are the words? S-I-D-E. Side. I-C-E. Ice. M-O-S-T. Most. M-I-S-T. Mist. Is it clear? Then at the last part of the page number 28, draw a bird in the space provided below. Here is a space and you can draw any bird here. You can draw any bird. Using your pencils, you draw a bird, the picture of a bird here. Okay. When you come on to school, I will check it and give you marks. I will check it and give you marks. You draw a beautiful bird here. The picture of your pet. It should be a bird. Draw a bird in the space provided below. Okay, this chapter is over. Let us continue in the next class. Let us take another chapter, that means the 4th chapter in the next class. Let us wind up today's class and you should read the text carefully and then you can learn it well. Okay, thank you.